At number 1, we have the Apple Vision Pro. The Apple Vision Pro is a groundbreaking mixed reality headset that combines augmented reality and virtual reality capabilities, offering a unique and immersive experience. One of its standout features is the micro OLED display system, which delivers an impressive 23 million pixels, providing more than 4K resolution per eye. This results in stunning visual clarity and vibrant colors, making it ideal for watching movies, playing games, and viewing photos. The Vision Pro is powered by two advanced processors, the M2 chip, which handles general computing tasks, and the R1 chip, which processes input from the device's numerous cameras, sensors, and microphones with minimal latency. This dual-chip setup ensures smooth performance and quick responsiveness, enhancing the overall user experience. A key feature of the Vision Pro is its precise eye and hand tracking, which allows for intuitive control without the need for physical controllers. Users can navigate the interface and interact with apps using simple eye movements and hand gestures, making the device feel natural and easy to use. Additionally, the headset supports voice commands, further expanding its control options. The Vision Pro also excels in audio quality, featuring spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. This technology personalizes the sound experience based on the user's head and ear geometry, creating an immersive audio environment that complements the visual experience. So that's